Alright guys, welcome back to Shut Up, Trouble and Manners. This is gonna be, what the hell is this? This is the last time we're gonna be shit posting in here before the next mass. Just a quick update. I think we're in quite a bit of shit now because I spent a fortune on your bitch ass, then you come back results still you all that shit, you know. So yeah, this has been the calm before the storm, but the storm's only gonna be like 1 month long. weathering with Jet. No. It's gonna be weather the storm. Remember the Tiberian Sun mission? Yeah, because I remember it. So yes, we're gonna face the sandstorm for the next 1 month or so. It's gonna be a very, very, very long month, but then it's gonna end, and that will be the end of everything. There will be no more storms or ice cold, sub-zero freezing temperature climates like that anymore. We're gonna get out. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. Ooh, I see the dog shit. You see the dog shit? Oh my god, is that? Alright, so yeah, we're gonna, let's get out of here, man. We're getting out of here, man. Okay. See, I forgot what I wanted to say. Whatever. Alright, let's. Oh, it's nice. Let's start shit posting. And you come up with a fancy name for this place. Instead of LT1, you call it like SpongeBob's Galley or some shit, or like First Class Ryanair, AJ Air, ASR Air, Air Force. Alright. Here comes trouble. Oh fuck! I dropped the HDMI. Enemy planes. Don't mind if I Sandstorm! These nuts. Alright, it's comedy night with Jetch, part number 71. What do you call 911? Exactly. Wanna hear a joke? Yeah, me neither. No. Like, my humor has to be contextual. Like, it needs to be contextual. I can't just come up with some weird shit on the spot. Let's see. Well. I don't think it works like that. When you're holding the mic, put it close to your mouth. Aim the top of the ice cream directly at your mouth so that the membrane inside can pick up the sound. Yeah, the mic makes you louder, but you have to use it correctly before it can make you louder. And stuff like amplifiers and the membrane inside that needs to vibrate. What am I even doing? Alright. You already know who it is. Spillips is in the LT today. Alright, folks. Tonight, we dine at home. But next year, we dine in the Cookhouse. No more prison food. No more being stuck at home, doing things that you don't like to do, failing at them and then being blamed for it. This is all gonna come to an end. I hope you realize that. Now some of you, you've been having a very comfortable life here. getting all your good grades, all the praise, maybe even some naysayers. What do you call those people? Those people who are jealous of your achievements. They try to put you down. But that only goes to show just how good you are. Some of you have friends. You go out together, you study together, you do shit together, yeah? You live, laugh, love, and shit like that together. And then some of you you're like me. Don't get many people like me, obviously. But I know some of you, you've been, you've tried to be a good person, tried to be a good guy, but at the end of the day, you're still a bad guy because of everything else about you that you don't recognize. So, what I want you to understand is this: whatever your experience has been, it's all coming to an end. All right? Just one more month, your prelims are going to start, and after prelims, that's it. We're all getting out of here. Whatever your life has been, misery, fun, the rare occasional fun, the overachievers, and the judges, the spillips in the house. I need to stop clicking my mouth like that. Hang on just a bit longer, okay? Speaker brand is DAS, by the way. DAS, D-A-S. Same as the binary. Naughty, alright. So whatever it is, you're gonna move on from this phase of your life. You will remember it. There's a lot of things to remember. A lot of things you will forget. But I say this, you've come this far, you're gonna go even further. And I hope at least, even if you learn nothing throughout these 2 years, you at least gain something. Like you gain experience on how not to live your life. Or if you really enjoyed yourself here for some reason, somehow, then it's gonna end soon. You're gonna have to find another way to... Oh shit, it's people at the door, sir. Alright. I'll see you soon, fellas. One more month. Prelims. Let's get out of here. It's not gonna be easy because you're gonna get hit from all sides by everyone. It's gonna be quite dreadful. But let's stay strong, okay? Let's get out of here. All of us. Alright? Move on. We're gonna go. We're gonna leave this town.